Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be cutting the hood scoop into the hood. Go ahead and run tape all the way over it where you're going to cut. Take a measurement. I pulled off where the hood sits on the car to figure out what I want over here for where I want the hood scoop to sit. And then I went equally from both sides to center it. And basically I pulled my measurements from the windshield wiper sprayer to make it a little bit easier. I started off with a little template of the hood scoop itself where it lines up to make it easier. I am going to basically cut inside the line. This is smaller than the hood scoop, so it will fit perfectly. I'm going to cut in the lines, and then I'm going to cut little tabs out around where the holes go to fold them to make it mount properly. This hood scoop came off a 99 Impreza Outback Sport. I got it cut out. Go ahead and pull that piece out. I still got to cut that under setup of it, and then once I cut all that, I'll probably bend this inner up into here to make it look clean under the hood. Same with these sections here, and then I will bend these tabs down into place after that, and I'll drill them out and then bend them into place. Folded down the tabs with some sheet metal vice grips to make it bend down into place, and on the back side with the inner core support, lift it out at what, a half an inch or so to bend it back up to kind of make that look factory. After I got everything bent up into place, I ended up drilling the holes, drilling them one by one, and I just used a piece of 2x4 underneath and drilled into it so I could keep everything in the place where it should be. Looks pretty factory in my opinion. Now that I got that all trimmed up, cleaned up how I want, all filled, painted up, like with the hood scoop on the car. That's how I ended up doing the hood scoop. Hopefully that helps with cutting any kind of hood scoop of some sort or vents into your car. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you in the next videos.